Upgrading to a bigger home is an exciting journey, but it comes with its own challenges. In Silverdale, families are gravitating towards larger homes thanks to excellent schools and community amenities. But as a move-up buyer, navigating the financing landscape can be tricky. It's time to maximize your equity and make the most informed choices. First, tap into the equity from your current home. This is your biggest advantage, helping with down payments and reducing loan amount. Next, consider a bridge loan. This allows you to purchase before selling, offering essential flexibility. Additionally, selecting the right loan type is crucial. Whether you choose conventional, VA, or a specialized structure, understanding your options mitigates stress. Remember to budget for increased costs, as larger homes often mean higher taxes and maintenance. The market timing in Silverdale can significantly impact your purchasing power. Stay aware of inventory trends and seasonal factors when making your move. Working with a trusted local mortgage professional, like Clint ensures you receive personalized guidance. He specializes in local market nuances and financing strategies tailored for Silverdale. Are you ready to elevate your living situation? Reach out today for expert assistance and start your journey toward your dream home.